Enumeration is a user-defined type that's restricted to a list of possible values. It's an easy way to group a collection of related values and work with them in a safe and clean manner. Enums make code more readable and maintainable. Compiler will warn you and assist you along the way while providing compile time checking for parameters and assignments. Algorithms can be expressed more naturally by using the language of the domain rather than manually mapping values from another type such as int to some representation of the problem set. For example, you might want to store information about the day of the week. Without enums, you might use 1 to represent Monday, 2 to represent Tuesday, and so on. Using an enum, you could instead represent days as named values, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Defining the enum declares new data type which can be used just like any other data type. You can then define a variable with this type and assign one of the cases. Enumeration instance can be tested for specific value using equality operator. While enum values can be compared with if, switch statements are typically used to handle enum values. Enumerations are very powerful and flexible, much more than they are in other languages. They can do most everything a structure and class can, including having properties and methods. Swift doesn't assign values to enum members by default. The members of enumeration are values themselves. You can associate a raw value with each enumeration case simply by declaring the raw value type on enumeration name. Raw values are not limited to ints, they can be all the built-in numeric types, strings, or chars. This example declares enumeration with raw values of int type. Integer raw values don't have to be in incremental order. For enumerations where the raw value is int, successive members will be given auto-incrementally if no value is provided. In the below example, high will be 3. These can be extracted with raw value property. Enumeration in Swift supports another kind of value called associated value. These are more like properties of a class. You can set each one differently for each instance of the enumeration. To extract the associated value, you can use switch statement with let value binding. You can define a function within enumeration. Enumerations support more advanced features like type methods or recursive enumerations, which you can look up at the official documentation. This was a short intro to Swift enumerations. Thanks for watching.